So song name is Jai Radha Madhava, Radha Madhava. Official name is Jai Radha Krishna Giti. So Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo, 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 Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. So I thought I'd sing that a little bit because we were talking about Radha Ramana yesterday and all that. So this one here goes in. Jaya Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Radhe, Jayo Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Radhe, Jaya Tera Pranadana Hai, Jaya Tera Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Madana Gopal Radha Madana Gopal Radhe, Sita Nath Pranadana Hai, Sita Nath Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Govind Radha Govind Radhe, Rupa Goswami Pranadana Hai, Rupa Goswami Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Madana Mohan Radha Madana Mohan Radhe, Jayo Radha Madana Mohan Radha Madana Mohan Radhe, Sanatana Pranadana Hai, Sanatana Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Gopinath Radha Gopinath Radhe, Jayo Radha Gopinath Radha Gopinath Radhe, Madhur Pandit Pranadana Hai, Madhur Pandit Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Damodar Radha Damodar Radhe, Jiva Goswami Pranadana Hai, Jiva Goswami Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Ramana Radha Ramana Radhe, Jayo Radha Ramana Radha Ramana Radhe, Gopal Bhatte Pranadana Hai, Gopal Bhatte Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Vinod Radha Vinod Radhe, Jayo Radha Vinod Radha Vinod Radhe, Lokanath Pranadana Hai, Lokanath Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Gokulanand Radha Gokulanand Radhe, Jayo Radha Gokulanand Radha Gokulanand Radhe, Vishwanath Pranadana Hai, Vishwanath Pranadana Hai, Jayo Radha Giridhari Radha Giridhari Radhe. Jayo Radha Giridhari, Radha Giridhari Radhe. Das Goswami Pranadhana hai, Das Goswami Pranadhana hai. Jayo Radha Shyama Sundar Radha, Shyama Sundar Radhe. Jayo Radha Shyama Sundar Radha, Shyama Sundar Radhe. Shyamananda Pranadhana hai, Shyamananda Pranadhana hai. Jayo Radha Banke Bihari Radha, Banke Bihari Radhe. Jayo Radha Banke Bihari Radha, Banke Bihari Radhe. Haridas Pranadhana hai, Haridas Pranadhana hai. Jayo Radha Kanta Radha, Kanta Radhe. Jayo Radha Kanta Radha, Kanta Radhe. Vikreshwara Pranadhana hai, Vikreshwara Pranadhana hai. Jayo Radha Gandharvikari Giridhari, Gandharvikari Giridhari Radhe. Jaya Saraswati Pranadhana hai, Jaya Radha Govinda Radha, Govinda Radhe. Prabhupada Pranadhana hai, Prabhupada Pranadhana hai. Jaya Radha Madhava Radha, Madhava Radhe. Jayo Radha Londonishwari Radha, Londonishwari Radhe. Prabhupada Pranadhana hai, Prabhupada Pranadhana hai. Jayo Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Sri Radhe. Jaya Radha Madhava Radha, Madhava Radhe. Haribo, 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 Haribo. Gaur Nitai ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Guru Maharaj ki jai.
Yeah, thank you so much. Very good. I just, we've got some of the deities here. I didn't quite manage to finish this. So this is Radha Madhav in Jaipur. This is Radha Damodar.
Where else? I can't see.
This
Share.
is, can you not see?
No, not sure. Now.
No,
Yeah.
I can see now.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for letting me sing that and
Oh, no, well done.
remember all those deities and also those deities that are so dear and like Banke Bihari was very, manifested to Haridasa like that. So, whenever all these deities are very, very dear to those Vaishnavas, great acharyas, great devotees. So this one you're saying Radha Madhav, it's actually very, very dear to me in Jaipur, and Radha Govindaji in Jaipur, because my father fell ill in Jaipur, and he was in the hospital for 2 weeks. He passed away there in Jaipur. But I went to these deities and I prayed to them. I said, "You take my father under your shelter." So I hope it will. Certainly. So that date is, I always have a picture of Radha Govindaji temple, and I would love to listen to this. So, you've done a wonderful job, remembering us all these different Krishna's manifested, how he has appeared in front to really, give us mercy through these Goswamis and great acharyas, especially Prabhupada. So thank you.
No, thank you.
Oh, wonderful. This Radha Raman is so amazing. This I've been there myself, yeah, but Riyaj, when he said he's been there, he's been, oh, wonderful. And he's so keen. I mean, he's so much mercy on Riyaj.
Mm.
Each, he's enthusiastic. But we should, always pray to these deities. Jai. Thank you very much. And this is the translation, isn't it?
Yeah, you can read it actually. Read the translation. It'd be nice.
Okay, yeah. All glories to Radha and Madhava, the treasure of their Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha and Madan Gopal, the treasure of Sri Advaita Acharya's heart. All glories to Radha and Govinda, the treasure of Rupa Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha and Madan Mohan, the treasure of Sanatan Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha and Gopinath, the treasure of Madhu Pandit's heart. All glories to Radha and Damodar, the treasure of Jaya Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha Raman, the treasure of Gopala Bhatta Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha Vinod, the treasure of Lokanath Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha and Gokulananda, the treasure of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's heart. All glories to Radha and Giridhari, the treasure of Raghunath Das Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha and Shyamsundar, the treasure of Shyamananda Goswami's heart. All glories to Radha and Vanki Bihari, the treasure of Haridasa Swami's heart. All glories to Radha Kant, the treasure of Vakreshwara Pandit's heart. All glories to Gandharvika and Giridhari, the treasure of Sri Bhaktisiddhanta Thakur's heart. And I would add that all glories to Radha and Londoneshwari, because Prabhupada installed London deities, Londoneshwari. He named them Londoneshwari so wonderfully. And, the treasure of as Prabhupada's heart. All glories to Prabhupada. Jai.
Thank you so much. Wonderful. So just very quickly, these deities. So this is there in Jaipur, Radha Madhav, and Jayadev Goswami's deities.
Yeah.
Oops.
Radha Govindaji, that's also.
Jayadev. This is Radha Damodar, Jiva Goswami's deities. They're in Vrindavan.
They're in Vrindavan, yes.
But
And that's the temple Prabhupada stayed, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, that's right. But the original deities are somewhere else. Yeah. Yeah. This is Madan Mohan. Again, the original deities are Karoli, I think.
In Karoli, yes.
Yeah. And this is Radha Govindji. So in Jaipur, the original deities are in Jaipur.
Yes, this is the temple. It's a very long story I've heard about how Govindji ended up in Jaipur.
Yeah.
Mansik,
yeah.
And they were kept in the palace, and then they selected a special place for him, and he built the temple.
You can read that story one day. It'd be nice to hear it, actually.
Yeah, and also Radha Vinod. There's another story of how another king from Jaipur, and they were friends, and he wanted to take one of the deities. I'll have to find out the details of exactly which one. And the king, and he went and asked, he said, I had a dream and these deities want to come to my place in Karoli. I think it's Karoli. Then how they ended up in Karoli, actually.
This is the one, Radha Vinod.
Yeah. That's right, Radha Vinod, yeah. How they ended up. Yeah. So one of the, anyway, they had this thing about, how to, this king was also attached. So both the kings, had to decide, should I let it go or not? And this one is deciding, he must come to my palace and live there and be worshipped there. So they put the three deities in front and blindfolded one of the kings, some pastime like that. And they say, if you recognize it, which deity it is out of these three in front, then you can take it. So he obviously was drawn to that, and he said he recognized the deity, and he touched it, And he said, this is the deity. And that it was actually. So I think some past time I've heard of it. So I might have to go to my notes and
Yeah, why
Fine.
don't you share it one day? It'd be interesting.
it'd be nice. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Make
Okay.
that plan.